The Mexican naval ship that crashed into the Brooklyn Bridge in May was somehow accelerating in reverse, according to a newly released report. The 197-foot training vessel, carrying hundreds of naval cadets, struck the bridge while en route to refuel before a planned trip to Iceland. The crew appeared to lose control, resulting in the deaths of 2 sailors and injuries to 19 others. A preliminary report from the National Transportation Safety Board, released Monday, raises more questions than it answers. It also remains unclear why the docking pilot's commands to stop the ship had no effect. Investigators have found no evidence of mechanical failure so far, and the final investigation could take more than a year to complete.